Hello everyone and welcome to Azul Cascadas or Azul Waterfall. That place is quite famous in Chiapas state in Mexico. But you can see a lot of information, but the water is originally blue color, but that's definitely not true. Maybe it depends about the season, but right now it's not blue, it's brown. Let's see. As you see here, big letters like Agua Azul or Cascadas-de-Agua-Azul, one of the most famous waterfalls in Chiapas. You can hear it clearly, but the water, as you see, it's brown, it's not real azul. Maybe here you can see how it's much it looks, at least. But in real, you can see the real brown color. Maybe because of too much rain and the water changed the color, but right now it's brown. It's not clear and it's not blue. But also, I want to add, but even the color of the water, not original, not blue, even if it's brown, it's still very beautiful waterfall. I definitely recommend from my side to go here if you will be nearby. It's around 1 hour's drive from Palenque, and you can reach that waterfall. Here, long way, maybe half kilometers, I think. Cascadas, you can see a lot of cascadas, a lot of souvenirs, expensive mucho caro restaurant as well, and of course if you still didn't buy some souvenir, you cannot miss it here. Of course, amazing price, much more expensive than in the market, but it's up to you. Somebody likes to buy it. You see, real, it's not azul, it's brown. But still, why not? Better than nothing. I really don't know how much entrance because the driver paid for me, because it's like I was 4 guys inside and one of me, and he even didn't ask me, he just bought the ticket. Even I didn't receive a ticket, but I'm here. And inside nobody asked me. But it's a real cool place. A visit with you and enjoy real powerful azul water. Azul water. Okay, it's not azul right now. It's a brown waterfall right now, but it's very, very, very cool. And now we're going to the most near point to that waterfall. Look, you even can feel the water. And now we're going to see the main platform, the main viewpoint. No. Everywhere the local people try to sell you something. Of course, double price, or maybe tribal price. So never buy it from them if you don't want to visit shipping. It's a nice basket. And you almost here, somebody is in drone. Hi, Jane. I already saw these guys. They use a bus, I use Chiapas, but we almost the same time. So it's the most viewpoint, the most high point, main from. And also here's a nice bridge you can cross, but not all the time because here's the security. They told me, oh, it's too dangerous, you cannot. But I said, can I just come for the video, for the small short video, only until the middle of the bridge? They say, okay, okay, you can come. So to get this nice bridge experience, you can come only until the middle. See the on the middle, how it's here. Make a small video to enjoy the view and just go back. So I'm almost done with that waterfall. After all, I can definitely recommend to you go to Azul Waterfall or Azul Agua. But if you wanted to see real Azul or blue water, come not in the middle of December because as you see, here it's a brown, it's not Azul, it's not blue. So yes, you can come here and anytime, but just not expect to see real clean water, and you cannot swim here because it's not nice swim in that type of weather, type of water. But it's still very nice, so yeah, definitely come here, enjoy your Azul Agua experience. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, jump into the void, and see you in the next Mexican video. Adios, amigos!